How to fix flash not working on Samsung. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this error. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your phone settings. Once you open up your settings menu, all you have to do is first head over to the app settings, go to apps, and then from here, all you have to do is tap on the three lines and then reset your app preferences. So it will reset your preferences for disabled apps, notifications, default apps, and background data restriction. So if any app is causing the issue on your flashlight, it will fix it. The next thing you do is head over to General Management, go to Reset, and then you're going to have to reset all settings. This will automatically reset any problem that's causing the issue with your flash. The next step you can try to do is open camera or any other app that accesses your flash settings. So for example, you can try to open up your camera. Here you can try to turn on the flash and then take a picture. So as you can see here, my flash is perfectly fine. Once you have done that, you could just go ahead and scroll down and try to turn on your flash. As you can see, I can easily turn on this flash. So these are the things you can do to fix the problem. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.